Welcome back to It's Me, G. Ever wondered if what people say is true? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Here's some facts to blow your mind.
1. A boom lift cannot throw its operator great distances. 2. An MRI scanner will not cause tattoos to explode, nor will a radio transmitter. 3. A falling icicle can kill a person. 4. Microwaving a jawbreaker can result in an explosion of molten sugar when the jawbreaker is bitten. 5. Using a cell phone while pumping gas will not cause an explosion. So, go ahead and like and subscribe to help this family survive one more day.